Hi, let's start with the DQL. DQL is nothing but what? Data query language. So far we have seen DML, DDL in detail. Now data query language. So DQL statements are often used to retrieve the specific information or the data subset from one or more database tables. So primary DQL statement is a select. Primary DQL statement is a select. So select can be used with other clauses also, like where clause, order by, having, group by, other things we'll see shortly. But primary statement of the DQL is select. Primary statement of the DQL is what? Select. Now, when you talk about query language, why do you query database or why do you query something? Just to get the information, from the particular thing. Similarly, if you want to get the details of the table, you need to query the table. And how to query, that is defined by the DQL statements, data query language statements, right? So here are the syntaxes. Then there is something called as distinct keyword. We'll see that as well. So let's go to our notebook. I will create one more notebook, and that is nothing but a new file, dql.sql, and open this DQL. Open with SQL notebook. Okay, as usual, it's a very good idea to switch the database in the beginning only. Use YTDB. Correct. Now just one notification for you guys. If you have landed directly on this video, I'm saying this again and again, if you have landed directly on this video, right, you might miss the things, because I don't know the exact number. This is the 67th or the 68th video, right? So I have explained SQL in much details in the previous videos. If you know, well and good, but it is a good idea to start from the beginning, right? It's a really good idea to start from the beginning and then come to this video, because I'm creating a playlist. You might directly land from the search results on this video. But I would like to tell you, there are the 60, I don't know exact number, 67 or 68 previous videos are available on the SQL. Okay, use YTDB, and then over here, now select star from employees. Well, there is nothing right now. That's why it is showing like this. So I will go to DML again and open with. So straight away you can copy paste this in the normal prompt also, but we are following another approach of working with this. Let's try to insert the data. Let's try to, or you don't need to open this file also. If you want me to write it again over here, let's do that, no problem. Just for you I am writing. Otherwise, this could be what you can say, if I was playing with the SQL, I could have just opened this SQL and played it. But just to show you, otherwise you will get one interpretation like that, no, we need to open a separate file and then only we need to insert from there. It's not like that. It's a normal SQL. Let's create the data. Insert into employee. Here also we can write, no problem, but we check that there is no data in the beginning. 1, then employee name ABC, right? And what's there in the employees? You can check in the constraints table, age. age is there, say 30. Okay, straight away you can write another query also, 2 PQR 30. Then here 3 XYZ, like this. Let's create 5 employees. 4 SQT 33. So here we can say 31, 32, like that. Add 5, insert into table employee and 5, right? 30. Run it. What's that? Insert into employees corresponds to the, okay, EMP ID, EMP name and the age. EMP ID, EMP values clause I'm missing. I'm missing values clause. Employees. I'm missing which clause? Values clause. Right? Now write it. Can you see? Data has been added to the table. Now I want to check it. Again, select it. Employee ID 1 ABC 30, employee ID 2 PQR 32, 3 XYZ 31, 4. Can you see? Select. Now you can fire the select with, where clause also. You can fire the select with where clause as well. So here we can say select. If you look at the query, let me explain this query first. Let me get it. Star. This is the most favorite query for the SQL developers. Star. Star represents all the columns like employee ID, employee name and the age. Star means all the column. From the employees, there is no where condition. But see, I can write like this also. Select EMP underscore ID, comma, EM and age from employees. And can you see only 2 columns, employee ID and the age. Similarly, you can have only 1 column also, say employee ID, that is also okay. But whenever you say star, can you see only 1 column? But whenever you say star, remember that you are saying all the columns. Star represents what? All the columns. Whenever you say star, all the columns. But you may specify the columns like this as well. Now here you can say select where clause. We can say where clause. Select star. Star represents all the columns from employees. Where, now you are putting the condition, where age is exactly equals to 30. Run it. Can you see there are 2 employees with the age 30. Similarly, you can say where clause. Select star from employees where age is equals to 30. Here you can say EMP underscore NM. What's the column name? EMP underscore NM or what? EMP underscore NM, correct. EMP underscore NM. Where EMP underscore NM in the quotes, whenever there is a string, if you see here, we write it in the quotes. If there is a string, we write it in the quotes. So here you can say AAA, semicolon, run it. There are no employees with this name. Just try with the ABC. I'll keep this cell as it is. So just to show you what would be the output, and here you can say ABC. Okay, run it. See here, there is one employee only with, there is only one employee with this ABC name. Okay, so here we have seen a number, age is greater than 30, sorry, age is equals to 30, 2 employees, right? And name ABC, only one employee, A, no employees. Now I will fire this query again. I will fire this query again, and can you see there is something called as distinct keyword. Distinct. Now the distinct keyword is used in the queries to retrieve the unique or the distinct values from a column or the combination of the columns. Okay, so here we can say EMP okay, we need to first create the data. So this employee ID is 6. Now see, employee ID 6, name is ABC, and age is 30. Okay, age is 30. So how many rows do you expect? Just insert it. And now select this query. I will fire. Now I just want to get the name instead of the star, EMP underscore NM, where age is equals to 30. Age is equals to 30. And run it. Can you see? You are getting ABC 2 times. Yes or no? You are getting ABC 2 times. Why? Because there is one employee. There are 2 employees. Actually, there are 3 employees over here. This age is also 30. So here we can add age column as well. And can you see age 30, 30, 30. And that's why the query is returning the 3 things. Right? But can you see this is a duplicate data. This is a duplicate data. ABC, ABC. Now I don't want to, presently only 3 are there, but in the actual DB there might be 30. There might be what? 30. So how to avoid this duplicacy? I hope you have got the concern over here. If not, just say select star from employee. Select star from employees, and can you see ABC, employee ID for the ABC is 1 over here, but name and age is same. Here employee ID is 6, but name and age is same. Here name and age is same, name and age is same, but as primary key is different, these 2 records would be considered as a different. This would be considered as a different, this would be considered as a different because of this primary key. And you are firing the select query by putting age is equals to 30, and that's why you get this ABC as well, right? But I don't want to get this ABC 2 times because this is a clear duplicate record over here. This is a duplicate, this is duplicate. So how do you avoid this thing? How do you avoid this thing? SQL says that, boss, don't worry, I have a solution. Just add a distinct, and can you see only name 30 and HYT 30. You have added a distinct keyword, remember that. So here ABC 30, this is a clear the duplicate data. You don't need this 2 times. That's why SQL says that, boss, If you are confronted with this situation, you have a separate keyword called as distinct. Use the distinct keyword to get results in this way. Correct? This is how DQLs will work. So primary statement of the DQL is a distinct. Primary statement of the DQL is a distinct. Primary statement of the DQL is a select. And select can be added with lot of flavors. We are going to see shortly. Also, we have seen what is a distinct keyword, right? If you have any question, please write it in the comment box. If you have understood the session, also write it in the comment box. I hope this is clear to you. Just revise it, revise the video if not. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.